Is it like soldering?
Soldering is not welding. Soldering, you have two pieces of metal, and then you add an adhering filler metal. It doesn't actually do it. Welding is fusing the metal. It would fuse the two metals together. Yeah, I could have said that earlier, but that's why riveting isn't really welding. But okay, after oxyacetylene, there's stick, electrode, or arc for short. And
how does the stick electrode?
You have, this is the first form developed in the early 20s or something, when you have a cloth with AC in, and either DC, plus, minus, and AC, plus, minus, and so you can have a setting for each one of those, and that determines specific direction of flow of electricity, which can influence the weld puddle. But the stick electrode, you have ground, clamp. It's a ground clamp. You hook your metal you're welding on, like you can hook it to the table if you want, but and then your electrode is practically a clamp with the wire coming out. You stick a flux-covered rod of your filler metal, and you stick it on the end of the clamp. And as you weld, after you turn the machine on, you get it out and you go to your metal and you whack it a couple times and get an arc going, and then you have to hold it. And the disadvantage of the stick is as you weld, it keeps getting shorter, so you can't just hold it there as you're welding. You have to continually adjust as it gets smaller and smaller, and then you just throw it away. And it's coated in flux, which I can get to later. And then, besides all these, you get into the more advanced, which have come out in like the 50s or something, and